Hi you guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a closure unit. I did not get the very beginning of me making this unit, but I hope that you will still enjoy and learn something from it. Now I have done a unit similar to this one before. If you want to know like the details, you can just go back and watch that video. But I still wanted to upload this because with each unit I do kind of do something a little bit different. But today, I want to actually do something different. I want to kind of talk to you guys. I have been getting so many questions about, how I do what I do, and I've had so many people that have asked me, do I have classes? Can I help them get started? What advice can I give them? And you guys, honestly, my best advice would be to just start. Like, I literally had and have no guidance. I just do research. I just watch videos. I have paid for some classes, but for the most part, those classes were just on the basics of like bleaching lace and or bleaching knots and stuff like that. In which the classes that I did take, I mean, it really wasn't what I thought it was going to be. So I'm not saying I gave up on that. I'm not telling you to not look into that or not, try to take any classes. But for me, maybe the people that I chose, I just didn't really learn or pick up on the things that I was looking forward to. So, yes, honestly, I was just like I tell them, and I do respond to DMs. I've seen a lot of people saying like, I don't respond to DMs, don't DM me, and all that. Like, I'm not like that. I haven't made it to that point where I'm overwhelmed with DMs. So I definitely do encourage people. If you have questions, like ask me. Like, I'm not like that. I'm not trying to withhold any secret information or anything like that. Like, I'm literally learning as I go, and I don't mind sharing information, and I don't mind sharing the things that I'm learning with you all. That's really the reason why I do these videos. That's the reason why I try to get on all social media platforms to show what I do and show how I do it. I try to go into details. I like to believe that I'm giving like every detail step by step, but I guess some people need, just really need that one-on-one, which like I said, I don't mind. But at this point, I'm not considering doing classes because, like, honestly, I pretty much put everything in these videos that I do. I'm not doing anything special. I'm not, like, it's no secret to what I'm doing. I literally just have been a braider since I can remember. And last year, I don't even know what motivated me to make a braid wig, or, but I just did it, and someone was interested in it. The customer bought the wig from me. She loved it, and from there, I just continued on. After her, I had someone else to ask me about a wig. I did a wig for her, and then there was somebody else, and then there was somebody else. So it just took off, you know, by me just going out on a whim. So if you do know how to braid, or if you do have a passion to do hair, if you just want to try it to make a wig for yourself, I say go for it. Like, it's really no wrong way to do it. Everybody does things differently. Everybody braids hair differently. Everybody just does things differently. So don't feel like you have to do exactly what I do. It has to turn out exactly how mine looks or anything like that. As long as you're satisfied with it, as long as your clients or customers are satisfied with it, then, that's really all that matters. So, I just wanted to try something a little different. I mean, on the last video that I posted, I kind of just did like the music. So you guys let me know if you want me to do more just talking throughout the videos, or if you don't want to hear me talking at all. If you might want to just watch the video. You might want me to just talk about what I'm doing to the wig. So you guys just give me some feedback and let me know, because I'm really just doing my own thing. And if it's not what you guys are coming here for, then just let me know so that I can do what I can to help, because that's really what I want to do, is help whoever I can help. I also want to say that if you hear like that little noise in the background, that's my fan. I have a few of my children in here with me right now in my workroom, so I have the fan on because they have to sleep with a fan. Which brings me to my next point, children. So many people are so discouraged and so just like, oh, I have kids, I can't do this and I can't do that. Like, look at me. Like, I have 5 boys of my own. I have my 2 nieces that live with me and I take care of them. Like, and I'm still chasing my dreams. I'm still doing the things that I want to do. So, I with my story, I just want to motivate you, whoever you are, whoever is listening to this, whoever is watching this, whoever is like doubting themselves, like, you can do it. Like, if I'm doing it, you can do it. You can do it. I literally do not have any help, besides every now and then. My kids are here with me 24/7 now since the coronavirus. My kids are homeschooled. So, but that's not stopping me. Like, you can't let anything stop you. Like, whatever you want to do in life, yeah, you can take a break, but never give up on you. Never give up on the things that you want to do. We can get so caught up in our families and our children and our spouses and, our jobs, but if you are an entrepreneur at heart, or if you want to own your own business, or whatever the case might be, whatever it is that you want to do, like, do it. Don't give up. Life is short. You look around and you see everybody else, like, well, how are they doing this and how are they doing that? They're in the same position that I'm in, because they're getting up and they're doing the work and they're doing it and they're getting things done and they're not making excuses. And that's the same way that you need to be. I had to go through so much before I was just like, you know what, things are never going to be perfect. I'm never going to have this type of support, and to the point where I just began self-sabotaging myself because I just wasn't doing anything, because I just felt so defeated. Like, don't do that to yourself. Whatever it is that you want to do, no, it's not going to be easy. Nothing in life is easy. It's never going to be easy. So you can't sit around and wait until, okay, I got to wait until the perfect time, the perfect opportunity, until the perfect person comes along, until the perfect job comes. Like, no, like, you have to just do it. You have to be working. You have to put in the work. You can believe in yourself, but faith without works is dead. So if you're constantly praying, asking God to move on your behalf or make something happen for you, but you're not doing anything, you're not doing any work, it's just not going to get done. He's not going to come down from the sky and do it for you. Like, you have to do it yourself. It's always going to be something that you have to do. And if you're not doing it for yourself, nobody else is going to go, oh, well, I know that they want to do this or do that, so I'm going to just do this, even though they're sitting on the couch all day watching TV or on social media. I'm going to go ahead of them and, no, people do not do that. It seems like some people used to do that, but people don't do that anymore. People are not helping anybody who's not trying to help themselves. So if you're not trying to help yourself, then more than likely you're not going to have anybody that's trying to help you. Like, but for me, you know, I'll help whoever I can, but until I do have a limit, until it gets to the point where, you know, you're just constantly taking from me. And I know that every time your name pops up on my phone, or every time, you know, I see you, I know that you're asking for something or looking for something. I mean, at that point, I have to just cut you off, because you're a taker. Some people are takers. Some people just want to come, take what they can take from you, and dump off their bad energy onto you. And then they go on feeling better because you have motivated them and uplifted them and spoke life into them. And then, you know, they have drained everything out of you. So, but at the end of the day, you know, you have to be your own support. You have to be your own motivator at times. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for your support. Please go in the description box below and follow me on all social medias. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.